All westbound lanes of the M2 are now open at Beecroft. Live Traffic Sydney tweeted. Watch the latest news on Channel 7 or stream for free on 7+. Continue to allow extra travel time through the area and take extra care just past Pennant Hills Road while vehicles and emergency services are in the breakdown bay. The crash occurred about 3:48 p.m. on Thursday afternoon, Live Traffic NSW said. NSW Ambulance said paramedics treated multiple patients, including one who sustained chest injuries.
And finally, thank you all for watching the video. Please like and comment your opinion so we can discuss together. Don't forget to subscribe, press the bell to follow and update many other interesting news. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.